and welcome to Craft Divas. So yes, I used to be called Q's Corner, but I decided to change the name because I do have a group on Facebook called Craft Divas. And all my ladies are super crafty. We share ideas and things. I try to put in information that I think that everybody will need as far as for crafting. So absolutely love it, love it, love it. That's about 2,600 ladies in it so far, and one did. And everybody is super awesome. We have a good time. We always doing little contests and things like that or whatever. But what I wanted to show today is kind of just messing around with some things for myself. Just because I was bored last night and I didn't have nothing to do. So I was like, okay, what better way? I keep seeing everybody always using the petty, and we all as women and some men can be petty at times. So I was like, hey, let's try something. So what I did was I took a shape. I actually turned this into an earring. So I took a shape. And I did petty. Well, I typed up petty. Um, and once I looked for the font, I changed my font to something that was on here. Now, I actually did this on my phone, actually, um, last night. But I took the shape, did a circle. Of course, I changed the color. So it's 3 by 3. I changed the color, so we're gonna do red. And just take the petty, put it in the middle, bring it forward, and make it a little bigger. So that's good. And then highlight it and slice it. When you move that, remove this, and take that. So when I cut this, it's going to cut this out. So what I am going to do is, let's see, because I have felt that I'm actually going to use. Actually, you know what? I might have something loaded already. Let's just take this, since this is in here, and zoom out a little bit. And um, I'll go ahead and change the color. Like that. So, yeah, I have stuff now. Never mind, just a little bit. I'm getting there. Let's say if I wanted to use this. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna use it's just an example. Now I want to take forever. Well, that'll pull up in a second. But basically, okay. So this is what I gotta do. So I'm going to pick half felt. I'm actually going to use. And I ain't tried this before, y'all. So this is gonna be all right. So when it cuts out, let me see if I did that right. I did that right at all. That's how it's gonna be, but I'm where it's gonna be small enough to go where you won't see it. I'm gonna pick the felt, and then what you do is you have you'll print out two of the patty circles. You'll have felt in the middle and put one on each side. Now you don't have to do one on each side if you want to. You can actually pick another circle on the other side just for more stability, to make it so it can be hard and stuff like that or whatever. Or what's the word I'm trying to say? Sturdy. So it can be sturdy. But no. Um like with this one, let me see. Like if I like this. Oh, I work. I'm gonna change the color of this real quick. So I say I just do that. I'm about to say what in the world? This is the same process. I have my felt and move back. So when you look in the earrings, it'll have some kind of decorations in the word. And then this right here I was just playing around with. This is actually two letters. And I just put the black on top. Or vice versa. That way. It look like this. You can do this to make it like a shadow. However you want to do it. You have to cut it out like this. You can let's go get another circle. Let's play around. I said I can like that on it. Slice. Oh, you know what I want to slice? Ha ha ha. It's a slice. It don't work for me, y'all. But I already slice. Some slice pieces. Let's see. Yep, that's fine. So let's see if I brought this forward. Slice all of that. Ain't gonna work. Let's go back. But yeah, I get the idea. Do this now. Uh, but it won't work like that. It'll work with one. Thought it was just yeah, it'll work with one. But anyways, y'all got the idea of what I'm trying to do. But anyways, that's just me messing around on the computer in design space, just learning new things. Learned something else recently, so once I get a little hang of it, I will post it soon. Anyways, thank you for watching Craft Divas. I have a wonderful day. Talk to you guys soon.